Ciao, adventurers. Barty's in Rome. This place is ancient, very grand. Look at these old rocks.
The Colosseum. So many stories. Barty wonders if seats were bigger back then?
A sign. No sitting. But everyone is sitting. Barty should help.
Excusey, my friends, the sign says, no sitting. Pardon Barty's largeness. Oops.
Look, a human statue, so still. Are they alive? Barty must investigate.
Boop. Aha! They are real. Barty found a human statue.
Ow! The Trevi Fountain! Barty heard you make a wish here. Just need to gently navigate.
For a long life of napping and good berries. Barty's wish is ready.
Kerpelunk! Barty's wish is cast. Take that, Destiny.
Was that for Barty? Is that the sound of wishes coming true? Or something else?
Signore.
Barty was merely wishing. Was the coin too enthusiastic? Is that a rule?
Oh no. Blue uniforms. Not the friendly kind. They seem unhappy. Barty must express himself.
Ancient ruins make for tricky escapes. Who knew? Almost tripped. Hope it wasn't important.
For the love of leaves. Barty is stuck. These alleyways are not for wilderness enthusiasts.
Aha! Free at last. Close shave. My fur feels exfoliated. Avoid narrow places.
Okay, Barty is camouflaged among colorful human edibles. They'll never find Barty.
Oh, for the love of wild. They found Barty again. Bloodhounds. Expedited exploration time. Another piazza. So much open space. Great for running, less great for hiding. Go, Barty, go!
Whoa! Fast, tiny vehicles. Very surprised humans. Barty is a master of evasive tourism.
Barty thinks he lost them. Quite the cultural immersion. Maybe too immersive.
Barty only wanted to share good wishes and understand human ways. Why a big chase? So confusing. Well, Rome, you were an adventure, a very fast one. Time for a quieter forest, a very far away one.
If you enjoyed Barty's Roman escape, please like and subscribe. Who knows where next? Stay wild, friends.